Welcome to another video. So we're going to see how we can set up a password and user account for your Windows PC. So on your PC, you click on your start button and head over to setting, click on settings. So when it opens, head over to accounts. Then after accounts, you click on family and other users. Then head over to add someone else to this PC. So enter the username you want to use for the account. Here we'll just use a subtle name, Glory. Then enter a password for the user account. You enter the password. Then after it's cool, you have to enter some questions in case you forget the password. So here the first question is, what is the name of the city you were born? And your nickname, enter your nickname. Choice is yours for the questions you want to choose. Then is the last question. You click next. Then thereafter, we are now going to create a password for the general account. So click sign in options. It could be different for your own password for your own PC. Click on password, then click add. Then enter new password. Enter the password and enter a password hint. In case you forget it, you see, we are categorizing it. So click next. Then you click when you are done. And don't click finish. So now we are going to see the other means you can add the securities for your on your PC, Windows, LOP, fingerprint, and others. So we're now going to see how we can see how this password and username works. So let's move on to the next stage. Go ahead and click accept. Click accept. So this is the other account for opened. You see it's a bit different. This is the Glory account. So let's switch account. Go to 8P. So as you can see, the front page and that of the other one, they are different. So that's how you can set up a user account and passport on your P laptop. Thank you for watching.